Isn't it really simple? Your child is not comfortable going out. First of all, get them used to sunlight rather than, or natural light rather than using more of artificial light. Then, use of simple glasses when they have to go out. Isn't this a good enough shield so that they don't scream or it's too unbearable for them? Try to prepare them beforehand for when they have to go out, that it is time to go out in the sunlight. It is all right. What would you prefer? Sunglasses, or you want to wear a hat or a cap, or you want to wait for a few minutes at the door before going out? This will give them a chance, a choice to wait or have an option of what would they like to use as a shield on their eyes. As far as showing books to these kids go, I always emphasize, no matter if a child has light sensitivity or not, try to introduce one picture at a time, one shape, one alphabet at a time. Try to show them an object that is very similar so that the children can connect better with what you're showing in the picture is the same as the real object. Social skills of these children are just not up to the mark. Not just because they do not give eye contact. Trust me, if you're focusing with these children for eye contact, you're not going to succeed because they do not want to look continuously into your eyes. It's okay. If you think that they gave a momentary eye contact, they acknowledge that you are there, and after that they drop their eyes or they're looking elsewhere, but they followed your instructions, means they are listening to you. They understand you. It's just a matter of it's too difficult for them to maintain that eye contact. Why don't you give them that freedom? How to involve such children in group play activities? It's pretty simple. First, as far as group play goes, either it's in the park or is it at the school, why don't you let them simply sit in a place, observe other children play, because they first need to get accommodated to how different kids are moving, how they are playing about them. When they think they have accommodated enough, it might take a few days, they will move closer and try to involve in parallel play. How play develops in children, you can check out the link over here. Parallel play is when the child is ready to sit among children, maybe share the materials, but not exactly participate in the group activities. It's okay. It's the second stage. This is eventually going to progress to a cooperative play. Maybe initially they do not want to participate in movement-based activities, just sitting once, where they have to pass on materials, or maybe they are ready to share a place, a play area with other children where they have to turn-wise arrange things. It's okay. Allow them that liberty that they can participate at their own whim. These kids also might display issues with gross motor movements. As I said, playground equipment, but not just that, stair climbing, jumping. They might not be comfortable with these kind of gross motor skills which are too movement based. So why don't you try them very, very simply? Get them used to some lower limb coordination, not exercises, but play activities. Again, you can click the card to understand how these simple activities can be trained in a very safe environment before you progress to the actual activity. And finally, very simple tips for you for daily activities of these children. You want to wash their hair, they are not comfortable. It's not because of the touch, or it's not because of the pouring water they're scared of them. It's just a matter of too much water. They don't want to stand under the shower. It's okay. Store some water for them that they can pour on themselves slowly. Tilt their head back so that there is no water in their eyes, and apply a shield over here like a shower cap. They do not like colorful clothes, too many patterns in clothes. It's okay. Give them simple clothes to wear. Ask them to sort laundry so that they get used to patterns of clothes or type of clothes, the environment or the things inside their house. Get them involved in household chores so that they are more used to handling things. They accommodate fairly well with the daily routine activities, and you won't find that it's difficult to train anymore. Let me know if this was an informative video for you. Please share your thoughts, any queries that you have regarding visual or light sensitive children, please mention it, and also some suggestions about any future videos that you want me to cover on this channel. I will be glad to cover them. We'll meet again soon.